Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I will explain about the analysis of parental review journals in preventing gadget addiction. In the process of child growth and development, parents play a critical role. Parents might recognize their responsibility as parents of educate and raise children while providing education and advice to their children about the use of gadgets. Parents must also be able to parental educate their children and speak with them in the most appropriate manner for their age. Even if they use electronics, children will benefit from good and right education, parental protection, and arrangements. In the process of child growth and development, parents play a critical role when it comes to giving youngsters information and advice on how to utilize technology. Gadgets are a very popular technology nowadays. Adults or children are using gadgets. Where many of the gadget products that make children their target market and children have now become an active consumer of gadgets. Gadgets have a major influence on human life as well as against children if the childhood is already dead and negatively affected by the gadget, then the development of the child will be hampered. Test 3 journal use different methods. I will explain the three. Let's listen to good. The present study employed quantitative method. The data was in the form of number. Statistical analysis was employed to answer the hypothesis of the study. The respondents of the study were 60 pairs of kindergarten students in Semarang City. They consisted of 55 mothers and 5 fathers. The data were analyzed using validity and reliability tests. The assumption that consisted of normality, linearity, and hypothesis tests. In order to discover the effect of the independent variable x on variable y, the t-test partial was conducted using simple linear regression analysis. The research design of this research used a cross-sectional study and quantitative study. The research conducted in Kedung Badak Village, Tanah Sareal Subdistrict, Bogor City. Location were selected based on statistics center data per year in 2017, which stated that urban area has higher internet user 70.89%, that the rural area 41.99% BPS 2017, and Bogor City is one of the urban areas. Tanah Sareal Subdistrict selects has the highest growth population BPS 2018. And Kedung Badak Village has the highest population in Tanah Sareal Subdistrict. The research was done in April 2019. The population of the study is young mother 18 to 40 years who has preschool children 3 to 6 years and lives in Kedung Badak Village, Tanah Sareal Subdistrict, Bogor City, Indonesia. Based on the data from Maternal and Child Health Center Kedung Badak Village, the respondent selects with simple random sampling technique. The study involved 104 mothers of preschool children. The study employs quantitative research using a cross-sectional or one-time data collection approach. In April 2018, the study was carried out in Kiawa Village in the North Kawangan District. Families with children aged 12 to 40 years old made up the study sample. There are 34 families living here. The study used the whole sampling approach, which include 34 heads of households, to select a sample of nursing journals. In this study, the Q-score that was utilized in conjunction with a questionnaire sheet data collecting tools are known as research instrument. In this study sheet, the instrument is a questionnaire and the demographic data of the respondents is provided in the form of the respondents' name, gender, and age. The Likert and Goodman scales questionnaire was utilized and it comprises of a 15 question parental role assessment and 23 question child behavior questionnaire. The results obtained from these three journals are the results obtained using the quantitative method. So the there is a relationship between the role of families in avoiding the harmful effect of gadgets on children and children's conduct in using gadgets, with a significant p-value of 0. There is a considerable negative correlation in this relationship. It can be shown the greater the family's role, the better the behavior of children when using gadgets. There is a strong connection between aggressive discipline and gadget addiction in early childhood. According to a quantitative research method utilizing a cross-sectional approach, the findings of this study also suggest the aggressive discipline has an 83.8% influence on device addiction. Other variables, on the other hand, affect 60.2% of gadget addiction, as can be shown. First of all, discipline has a significant impact on device addiction. Using a cross-sectional methodology with a quantitative research method, the findings reveal that children's device addiction is influenced by inadequate mother-child contact. Increased engagement between mothers and children can help to minimize children's device addiction. And finally, the conclusion obtained from the three journals. Families might play an important role in their children's usage of technology by providing conscious monitoring and direction. Children's device addiction is strongly influenced by assertive punishment. Parents might help their children overcome gadget addiction by using firm discipline, making a commitment to keep excellent contact with them, praising them, and implementing logical consequences without using corporal punishment. Parents might utilize technology responsibility and increase parental mediation to supervise their children's usage of technology. In addition, parents should enhance their connection with their children in order to get them more connected with their parents rather than with their device. Furthermore, the government should be more social in its approach to screen time guidelines for children. Thank you guys and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.